Are you ready to dive into the world of Turkish dramas that have captivated audiences worldwide? These award-winning series, rich in storytelling and emotion, are available with English subtitles, making them accessible to everyone. Let's embark on this journey together. At number 1, we have Aşk Memnu, and its English name is Forbidden Love. Aşk Memnu is a tale of passion and betrayal. Behter, a beautiful young woman, marries the wealthy Adnan Ciagil, seeking comfort after her father's death. However, she finds herself irresistibly drawn to Behlul, Adnan's charming nephew. Their illicit affair sets off a chain of events that threatens to destroy the entire family. Will their forbidden love lead to ruin? Watch Aşk Memnu to witness how secrets can change destinies forever. At number 2, we have Fatmagil'in Sukune, and its English name is What is Fatmagil's Fault? Fatmagil'in Sukune tells the harrowing story of Fatmagil, a young woman whose life is shattered by a traumatic event. Forced into marriage with Kerim, one of the men involved, they both struggle with guilt, shame, and the quest for justice. As they navigate their complex relationship, can love blossom amidst the pain? Watch Fatmagil'in Sukune to see if Fatmagil finds the justice she deserves. At number 3, we have Sesiyet, and its English name is Persona. Sesiyet follows Aga, a retired judicial officer diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. Facing the loss of his memories, he decides to embark on a vigilant mission to punish criminals who escaped justice. As he crosses paths with Nevra, a tenacious female detective, the lines between right and wrong blur. Will Aga's quest bring redemption or chaos? Watch Sesiyet to uncover whether his final mission will bring peace or destruction. At number 4, we have Ayserd, and its English name is Inside. Ayserd is a thrilling drama about two brothers, Sarp and Umut, separated during childhood and unknowingly pitted against each other as adults, one as an undercover cop, the other as a member of the mafia. Their intertwined fates lead to intense confrontations and heart-wrenching revelations. Will blood ties overcome the forces that seek to keep them apart? Watch Ayserd to see how a long-lost bond faces the ultimate test. At number 5, we have Kuzey Güney, and its English name is North-South. Kuzey Güney explores the tumultuous relationship between two brothers. Kuzey, impulsive and rebellious, and Güney, calm and ambitious, both fall in love with the same woman, Semri. Their rivalry tests family bonds and personal morals. Can brotherhood withstand the trials of love and jealousy? Watch Kuzey Güney to find out if love or loyalty will win in the end. At number 6, we have Yarg, and its English name is Judgment. Yarg is a gripping legal drama that delves into the lives of Ilgaz, a principled prosecutor, and Selin, a fearless defense attorney. When a complex murder case forces them to collaborate, they confront ethical dilemmas and personal conflicts. Will their pursuit of justice bring them together or tear them apart? Watch Yarg to see if truth will triumph or remain buried forever. At number 7, we have Karde, and its English name is Karde. Karde is a period drama set in the 1970s focusing on Mahir, a shoemaker's son who infiltrates the legal world to clear his father's name from a wrongful murder accusation. Along the way, he encounters Farid, a dedicated judge, and their growing affection complicates his quest for justice. Will love hinder or help his mission? Watch Karde to find out if Mahir can fight the system and protect his family. At number 8, we have Kusu Kusu, and its English name is As the Crow Flies. Kusu Kusu offers a sharp look into the clash between traditional journalism and the rising influence of social media. The story follows a seasoned news anchor and an ambitious young intern whose differing approaches to news reporting lead to ethical conflicts and power struggles. Can integrity survive in the fast-paced world of modern media? Watch Kusu Kusu to discover how ambition and truth collide in a battle for power. At number 9, we have Erkansi Kuz, and its English name is Early Bird. Erkansi Kuz is a romantic comedy that centers on Sanem, a free-spirited young woman who starts working at an advertising agency where she meets Can, a charismatic photographer. Their playful banter and undeniable chemistry lead to a whirlwind romance filled with misunderstandings and heartfelt moments. Will their love story have a happy ending? Watch Erkansi Koos to find out if fate has planned a love story worth remembering. At number 10, we have Vatan Sensin, and its English name is Wounded Love. Vatan Sensin is a historical drama set during the Turkish War of Independence. Cevdet, a brave Ottoman officer, is torn between his duty to his country and his love for his family. When he is forced to make an impossible choice, his wife, Aziz, and their children are left to struggle alone. As betrayals and sacrifices unfold, will Cevdet reunite with his loved ones, or will war tear them apart forever? Watch Vatan Sensin to witness a powerful story of love, patriotism, and sacrifice. These Turkish dramas offer a rich tapestry of stories that have not only captivated viewers but also garnered critical acclaim. Which of these series have you watched or are excited to watch? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recommendations.